everyone.
Study Vibes Education. Powerful 500 General Knowledge 2021 for all competitive exams. 15 Power 500 K141, which is the oldest joint stock bank of India. UNS Allahabad Bank, the 24th of April 1865. K142, which is the bank established by the freedom fighter Drive Bhogaraju Pattabhi Sitaramaya. UNS Andhra Bank, the 28th of November 1920. K143, which is the first bank in India to open a branch abroad. K144. UNS Bank of India, London, 1946. K144. First bank whose branch has got ISO 9002 certificate. UNS Canara Bank, the 1st of July 1906. K145. To commemorate the completion of 100 years of which bank in 2011, the Department of Posts has issued a commemorative postage stamp. UNS Central Bank of India, the 21st of December 1911. K146, which is the bank formed on the efforts of Lala Lajpat Rai. UNS Punjab National Bank and New Bank of India. UNS Punjab National Bank, the 19th of May 1894. K147. 147. The only example of merger of two nationalized banks is UNS Punjab National Bank and New Bank of India. K148. Which bank was inaugurated by Mahatma Gandhi in the year 1990? UNS Union Bank of India, the 11th of November 1990. K149. Which is the largest bank among the nationwide banks? UNS Punjab National Bank, the 19th of May 1894. 150. What is the full extension name of ATM? UNS Automatic Teller Machine, ATM. Thank you so much for watching. Shining off.